College of Sciences and Technologies. We are very eager to work with our students. Dr. Parker, over the years, have been tirelessly working on, applying for grants. And under those grants, we have offered student research and graduate research opportunities. As Dr. Jiang pointed out, those are quite significant, high impact, and a rewarding experience. So as far as myself, I would say that university, for each individual students, you want to find one which suits you the best. So the fact that you are here, we have this conversation, perhaps is a step that help you to, prepare for you down the road in terms of your research, study major, and to some of you even choosing the college. One thing I want to kind of, again, is follow up, add to Dr. Jiang's comment, is the significance of undergraduate research. In our college, especially, and with SA Scholars Academy, we have quite a history and a tradition in promoting, supporting undergraduate research. In that we have summer programs, we have also the regular semester programs. Students are working under individual faculty on specific research topics. That really gives students, individual students, really special opportunities to gain in-depth knowledge and really strong skills in their particular field, complement to their study majors. And at the end of the research phase, they got opportunity to go to conference at various places. They even been to further places I haven't been to myself. So they present their research findings, and at those events, they get connected to future opportunities. That's just wonderful. Myself, I have been working with, as a faculty advisor, research advisor, I have been working with the students over, 16 years. So the students I worked, not only the students in my specialization, which is industrial control systems, I also worked with students in other disciplines, for instance, in mathematics, on topics like power system analysis, compressor modeling, digital signal processing. I also worked with students in structural civil engineering on structural dynamic study based on vibration analysis. I also worked with computer science majors on research projects. We developed online remote lab user management system. What that entails, programming the web interface, user interface, database management, and all those good stuff. So just to summarize that, for those of you who are going to start or continue at the UHD, please, be proactive. Reach out to professors. You find they may share, their specialization is similar to yours. Reach out to them to find out if there's research opportunity, if there's any opportunity you can join their research team, either on volunteering basis or on some, existing grant opportunities. That will be a very, good step for you to consider and actually to make, as I said, be proactive on that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Fang. And Ms. Gadd, Professor Gadd, would you like to introduce yourself, give a little history of our LSMP at UHD?
Yes. Hello, everybody. I'm so glad to see you all. Hello, Dr. Sierre. That's really nice of you to arrange meeting.
Just Mr.
Students. Yeah, this is great. This is so great. Well, yes, I have been a scholarship program, LSMP, and other scholarship programs since the inception of Scholars Academy. In fact, we started the Scholars Academy because we got LSMP and another grant from And like some other professors got other grant, Dr. Spears got another grant. So Dr. Allo, who got LSM, Dr. Spears got another grant, and we made the Scholars Academy. So I have been a coordinator since then, and I'm very happy. So Dr. Parker, is it about 18 years? How long is Scholars Academy?
21.
21. Okay, so LSMP is 21 years old at UHD.
Wow.
And we have been like applying again to renew it every 5 years. In fact, SCC was originally our partner in the original grant, but last year, last time when NSF decided to have separation from higher education between 2 years, community colleges and other institutes, we have kind of separated, but we work together. We have the same focus, and we have been taking a lot of LSM students to UHD, and they have done such a great job. Like, we have so many examples of their success story. In last 21 years, I have hundreds of success story I can share, but I won't bore you with
Absolutely.
it. But I really hope that you will really look into a lot of nice things happening at UHD. So students, welcome to LSM. Even though you are not through UHD LSM, you are through SSC, but we are all partners. So welcome.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, wonderful. Okay, we want to introduce Dr. Elizabeth Villegas and let her just share a few items about the College of Science and Technology and maybe some information about transferring.
Yes, hello everyone. I'm happy to be here. As Dr. Parker mentioned, I am the Assistant Dean of the College of Sciences and Technology. We house 3 different departments. The Department of Natural Science has all our natural science majors. We have the Department of Computer Science and Engineering Technology, and then we have our math and statistics. And I'd like to say, I see the big old U of H sign there. Don't underestimate UHD. We do have some programs that U of H main campus does not have, such as we were the first in the state to have the first Bachelor's of Science in Data Science program. Okay, so that was a pretty popular one. I heard someone asking about the Master's in the Data Analytics program as well. Since some of you guys have already committed to UH for your bachelor's, you could consider us for your graduate program. We have the Data Analytics. It is a fast track computer science into the master's program so that you finish it in a timely fashion sooner than you would. And then we also have a new master's program that we're hoping to start next fall, which is the Master's of Science in Artificial Intelligence. And we're pretty excited about that one. We also got approval for a Bachelor's of Science Engineering Technology in Manufacturing and Process Engineering. So that's a new one that we're hoping to start pretty soon. The transfer process is going to be pretty smooth. The reason for that is that we have articulation agreements between most of our local community colleges, as we do with HCC. So the transition of courses and credits is a pretty smooth process. We also have this new website, and it's called the Transfer Course Calculator. If you just search Transfer Course Calculator in UHD, you can actually start putting in the courses that you took at HCC and seeing how they transfer and apply to a particular major. It also gives you the completion, the percentage completion of that major using the courses that you've already taken there. And so it's, we also have 2+2 degree maps, which are guides for students that take 2 years at the community college and then the remaining 2 years at our university. So we have a whole 4-year plan for you, even though you're starting at the community college. So there's a lot of information on our website. You just have to search UHD transfer page, and there's information there. We also have a couple of events that are coming up in the fall called Gator Preview Days. So you'll see the announcement for these on the UHD website, or you might get an email advertising these announcements, these events in which we collaborate with HCC and we bring students in from HCC and talk all about our programs and how their credits look in our programs and hopefully recruit you and get you to enroll at that time. So look out for those types of events. And I'm free to answer any questions that you might have on the transfer process itself that I could answer for you guys.
Okay.
I'd like to ask a quick question if I could,
Yeah.
Dr. Vegas. Would it be possible, Dr. Parker, Dr. Vegas, would it be possible will you guys have those dates to share them with me so I can make sure we put them on our LSMP calendar?
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
we'll make sure we let all the students know when that's going to happen.
And usually when you attend those events, you get a waiver for admission fee for students if
When
they
you
decide
attend.
to apply.